So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Tapo C500 security camera is not working, only blinking. You can see my house, my living here, and here the cam is blinking, is not working. It disconnected from my router because I have changed a new router. Or any case, if you see blinking, how you can fix. So in this case, if we go to the app, you have to remove from the app because you can't do anything in the app. So if I go to my apps, Tapo, go inside, and you see all the camera disconnected. I can't do anything. Whenever I put detail, if I go to detail, they not give me any option. So in this case, nothing else you can do. You have to disconnect, delete all the camera. I have 4 of them. I click this one and you see here, remove button. Click the remove button in this case. Remove is done. Another one, the same remove is done. And the last one as well, remove. Now we have to go up, climb to the camera, and we have to reset our cam. I have a ladder here to go up and reset. So we are here to our camera. You see the red blinking light. What we can do, we have to see where is the card. Can rotate the cam as this little bit, and here if I rotate, if it allows me softly little bit more, you see here should be a cover, but cover is missing. It dropped somewhere at the bottom. Doesn't matter, you have to take out the cover. Okay, and you can see here is a hole, you have to reset. So take out. So in this case I'm using some tool as this, and I would put inside this one and press for 10-15 seconds till I listen some noise. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. When you listen noise, you have to leave. It will reset by itself, it will move. So we wait. See how it is moving. And you see there is a green light, red light blinking. That means it's ready to set up again to the app. So we have to go to our app and we have to connect as we have done for the first time. I hit here, add a device, and this one, outdoor camera. You have to see the model number, C500. Here we go, C500, lovely. Click that one, hit next button, connect to the cam. Maybe you have to do sometime couple of times. Wi-Fi here, Wi-Fi this one, select the Wi-Fi as well. In this case, hit next button, next. You listen noise connecting to Wi-Fi from the cam, obviously. Wi-Fi connected. Pairing Tapo device. Now you have to put name of your cam. This is in my living room, so living. I hit next button. This is living room here. Then I hit next button. Choose a picture. Choose this one, any picture as you like. I hit here. Sounds good. Dismiss, no trial. Got it. Got it. Got it. Is done. Here you see living. I click this one. The cam is ready, guys. If I tilt the camera, tilting down. Here we go, lovely. The camera is working there. You see now we have a green light. Everything is perfect. So this is the way you can fix your Tapo Link C500 security camera when it's blinking red. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.